And we're coming up to a little placard. I think I will stop. It's always fun to get these informational nuggets. Turn of the century fishtails. Leave it there. You can pause it if you want to read that. I don't mind the rain. In fact, it makes me stronger, more resolute. So I haven't even put my hood up. I'm daring the sky to pour more water on me. As we hike along Deschutes River Trail, I do kind of enjoy the sight of the rain sprinkling on Deschutes River. Kind of beautiful. This is kind of a lazy river section of the trail. Kind of a river with a lot of different life cycles. Went through a whitewater rapid section, a little Cascadey waterfall section, and now we're kind of to the Crook lazy river section. If you wanted to intertube, you'd want to be in a section like this. So I continue to hike along the trail. Oh, we got another placard. Upper Deschutes Wild and Scenic River. I leave it there. You can pause it. And let's keep going. Ooh, this is obviously a boat ramp. Very cool. Digging this boat ramp. We got the reigning Deschutes River. Not like a reigning champion, just like actual rain. And let me scroll over. Vantage point from the boat dock. This is a pretty good access point. A lot of boating here, a lot of fishing. It's starting to rain a little harder on us. Still haven't put up my hood because I am a Oregon rain OG. And look at this. This is quite beautiful. The mighty National Wild Scenic River, Deschutes River. This particular area called Aspen. I'll give you one guess why it is called Aspen. Hint, those are aspen trees. So this is the Aspen section. This is the final section before you get to Dillon Falls. You climb up a series of stairs and then you're at the overlook area.